have to start talking about sperm. It is half the genetic basis of human life. I have had a number of men, both people I have met for the first time and also people I've known for a long time, who have said, I was the problem. I was the reason that we had IVF, and I never knew. Men have a big job to do in taking care of their bodies and making that sperm as healthy as they can. Men want to talk about this stuff. They want to be better partners. They want to feel involved. We grow up and we're taught to think that like all of these things are gross, and it's just biology.